Hi everyone, this is Jayashree. We continue with the uh, disease cancer, right? So the cancer, the part of the cancer where part of the body where the cancer starts, we call it as a primary cancer. The part of the body where the cancer spreads, we call it as a secondary cancer. Okay, so cancer secondary. Look into this picture in the our stomach. So here, this large size blue dot represents a primary cancer in the bowel. Then the top dot, blue dot, represents the secondary cancer in the liver that has spread from the bowel. Okay. So primary cancer is where the cancer starts. The secondary cancer is where the cancer spreads. Then spread to other areas of the body. It can spread to other parts of the body through the bloodstream or a lymphatic system. So lymphatic systems we call it as the flow of blood through the system. Okay, the system where the blood flows we call it as lymphatic systems. In order to spread some cells from the primary cancer, uh, in order to spread some cells from the primary cancer must break away and travel to another part of the body and start growing there. Some are go into blood vessels called capillaries. The blood vessels we call it as capillaries. Through blood vessels, the cancer cells travels and spread to another part of our out of the body. Okay, so spread through the blood circulation. How it spreads through blood circulation? When cancer cell go into the small blood vessels and get into the bloodstream, they are called circulation tumor cells. So these can stuck somewhere in a very small blood vessel such as the capillary. Move through the wall of capillary and into the tissue of the organ. So, through the capillaries and through the nervous system, through the nerves, through the blood, the cancer cells travels throughout the body, right? So look into that picture how the cancer cells travels from one part of the body to another part of the body. So they can multiply to form a new tumors. So cancer cells are stuck in some capillary wall in one cell thick. So some cancer cells stuck in the capillary tube itself, and spreads the cancer. Spread through the lymphatic systems. The lymphatic systems is a network of tubes and glands in the body that filters body fluid and fights the infections. Cancer cells go into lymph vessels and travel into nearby lymph glands and grow to form tumors in lymph nodes. Through lymphatic systems, the cancer cells travels. Properties of cancer cells. What are the properties of cancer cells? One second. So it shows uncontrolled mitotic divisions due to uncontrolled growth. The tumors is formed. They are less adhesive than normal cells. They exhibit number of alterations, lack differentiations. They lose ability to communicate with other cells. They lose sensitivity, they lose adhesion molecules. It is a genetic disease. Inherited cancer and spodial cancers are there. It can involve changes in gene expression, lack of contact inhibition, loss of limitations on the number of cells, divisions, ability to grow in culture, angiogenesis. See, look into this normal cells and cancer cells or abnormal growth. Okay, so prevention is better than cure. Main thing is can avoid, we can have to take uh, home cooked food. The packaged food and taking food in the outside restaurants must be avoided. Then bakery baked foods and the which contains a high amount of preservatives, that also should be avoided. So prevention is better than cure. Always uh, take and inculcate healthy food habits, and clean life habits can reduce mm, uh, the cancers, the coming of cancers. It can avoid, we can avoid these types of diseases by following, by changing healthy lifestyles. Thank you. Thanks for watching.